Welcome to another video. Today we got a overhead tripod for table, so let's unbox it. On the box first we got the tripod and some other accessories. First of all we can see a mobile mount for tripod. Secondly, this is a mobile holder like 180-degree, and I'm not gonna lie, it's quite heavy and build quality is top notch. And lastly we can see a clamp. With this we can attach our overhead tripod without table. I'm gonna show you really fast. And finally here is the overhead tripod. Also you guys can use it for hanging your microphone and any other stuff. And this is like all the accessories we get, so subscribe to this channel so you can enjoy these types of videos. And here I am just installing it. First you have to put the 180-degree mount, then you can attach your mobile mount. After all, you can just attach your clamp with the tripod, and now with the help of your own table you can just clamp it down like this. Once you done it, you can just adjust it at anywhere like this way. And now I'm gonna show you how to put your phone on the mobile mount. So you have to just push the front line on the mobile mount and you can just record it. So this is how you can record your videos like unboxing or any crafting videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for amazing videos like this. And also you can just turn around like this. Okay, bye.